Serabut lah.
What do you want?
Yes.
Uh,
Yes.
your people keep coming in my live saying, "Where's Irvin? Go live with Irvin."
Okay.
What do you mean? Okay, the people of your fans, they say, "Go live with Irvin. Go live with Irvin." I tell them,
Okay. Now we live together. Okay. Settle.
tell them. Don't tell me. Tell them. Are they happy?
Korang jangan masuk live dia cari saya. Dia rasa annoying lah tu mau sebut-sebut nama aku.
Tell them. Are they? Tell them this. Are you happy? Tell them that. Tell them. Are they happy?
Okay, Ahmad. Okay, beres. Beres. Okay. I already tell him don't talk me at your life. Okay.
But what if they do?
What?
What if they do? If they still do it?
Just enough. Ahmad, you're not kids. You're not kid, Ahmad.
Huh?
You're not young. You can handle this.
I am young. I'm actually.
Yes, you can handle this. Oh my
I'm
god, it's
young.
simple.
I'm actually young. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm actually young.
Okay?
Irvin, I'm young. You're 32.
Yes, okay.
I'm 23. 10 years younger.
Okay, you sorry. Okay, you young. Okay? Okay, everything's good? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, Irvin.
Siapa yang duk sebut-sebut nama aku kat live dia tu? Yang dia duk serabut-sabut sangat tu. Janganlah sebut nama-nama aku. Oh, tu pula bajet-bajet handsome. Mu pula jadi duduk tak boleh tengok orang handsome. Jadi kata big orang kata. Apa masalah? Dia kalau muka handsome pun, kalau koyak-koyak ni auto dah jadi handsome lah. Korang lah lebih-lebih.